Starting with the recording. So good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the magic world of Vedic Mathematics. Why Vedic Mathematics? Why we all have collected here today? There is a common mission. The mission is to remove fear of mathematics from the eyes of children. Right? Yes. So do you all feel the same? Removing the fear of mathematics to make maths an easy, comfortable, simple, faster. Yes? Anyone? Preeti? Sonam? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So we all are teachers, trainers. We have, so I'll request everyone to please switch on your video so that we can interact with each other comfortably. Thank you. Right. So Arna, am I clear? We all are here to remove the fear of mathematics from children.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Perfect. So we'll discuss on this issue. This is a very big issue, which is spread across the globe. So when you feel, yes, my children are not able to study or remember mathematics, it is not only your problem, it is a problem which every mother, every teacher is facing. And so for that, I have come with a solution of Vedic mathematics. So very first thing, now, whenever we start with a new journey in our life, we should always congratulate ourselves. We should pat ourselves. We should thank God for this, that He has given us the opportunity to start with a new journey in our life. Because without that blessing, you cannot start anything new in your life. Now, why I am saying this? Just now, last week, we celebrated New Year. And every one of us made certain resolutions. I'll start morning walk from first. I'll start yoga from 1st of Jan. I'll start with meditation from 1st of Jan. Or I'll start doing this. What happened on the 1st Jan? What happened on the first morning? Did we fulfill our resolutions? Were we able to start with what we thought or what resolutions we made? Yes, Aruna?
Yes, sir.
We were able to do it, or we
Yes,
forgot?
sir. Yes, sir.
See, I'll give you the reason behind it. Always, yes, Prakash, am I right or wrong? Prakash, Sonam.
Correct, sir. Correct.
So why is
You're
it,
right, sir.
why is it so? See, always remember, whenever you have a positive thought in your mind, every positive thought is associated with a doubt. And the same thing, if you might have planned for a movie on 1st Jan, would you have missed? Or if you would have planned a trip on 1st Jan, would you have missed? Not at all. Not possible. Because I will not say movie or going for a trip is a negative thought. But again, it is not constructive. It is not educative. It is not which could be a lifelong asset for you. So always remember, whenever in life we have a positive thought, a doubt is associated. And you're going for an interview. Everything is ready. But suddenly it strikes, oh, will I be able to pass the interview? And the moment you think this, you drop the idea of appearing. Now, how do you know that you will not be able to clear? But that thought, that doubt only restricted you from going to the interview. And once you're not attending, how can you clear it? So that is the reason I say, whenever you start a new journey in your life, always pat yourself. Pat yourself means you should be happy. Congratulate yourself that yes, I am starting with a new journey in life, and what today you are going to learn. That would be a life-changing process. Yes, it is Vedic mathematics, but not only related to mathematics. Mathematics is just a small part of it. It can you can say it is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence. But apart from mathematics, it has more to give you. What you'll get? You'll attain the feeling, yes, I can. So just imagine if every child has this feeling, yes, I can. So is anything impossible in life? And the second thing, it gives you ability to think. What is ability to think? Ability to think means you can plan and get more ideas of doing the same job, same work. So this all we'll study today. But again, since we all are teachers, so I would like that this should not be a webinar where I speak and you just listen and go. You need to participate. Whatever is coming in your mind, you are free to ask me anytime. So let me introduce, first of all, I'm Dr. Yogesh Chandra, an international trainer for Vedic mathematics. Also, I'm an author for the books Vedic Mathematics Step by Step, which were nationally awarded last year. I'm an educator from last 27 years. I motivate and help people to learn and grow as an entrepreneur. So are you looking forward to become an entrepreneur? Yes, how many of you want to become entrepreneurs? Yes? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Ayush, are you there? Poonam?
Yes, sir. I also want to
Yes,
become
sir.
an
Yes,
entrepreneur.
sir.
Okay, great. So that is what, see, that's what I'm saying. You can come up with your questions, whatever is coming in your mind. And once you'll switch on your videos, then you'll be 100% attending the workshop. Otherwise, everybody has a lot of work to go to do at the same time. Chaliye. Okay. Now, one more important point is this. See, the first step is always tough. So we should not think if it is hard, it is impossible. What you might have seen on my status also today, whatever seems to be hard, it is not impossible. The first step is the most difficult one. And today you have taken that first step. You have made your mind and you are here in the workshop. This initiative will give you that journey. Correct. So the first step you have already taken out. That is why I'm congratulating you. Second thing, don't think I'm too old to learn now. Age is just numbers. You can start learning or any journey in your life at any point of time. If you want to see the examples, right now you have an example of Donald Trump. When he became the president of the most powerful country of the world, what was his age? 70s. In which we think to retire. What is the age of KFC man when he got the success? He struggled for 16 times, he failed. And now he's one of the richest person in the world. KFC brand chicken everybody is aware of. Correct. So age is just a number. Whenever you think you can do it, just believe in yourself. And let's start our journey now with a very positive thought, which all our epics tell us, like Bhagavad Gita. What is written in that? See, our nature should be to be self-confident and motivated. But what happens? Even in a day, we just get demotivated. Oh, I'm not feeling good, so I'll not have lunch. I'm not feeling good, so I'll not study. I'm not feeling good, I'll not do this. Is it what should be there? What is expected from our life? Just to be confident in whatever we do and motivated all the time. So don't worry, right? You are at the right point, right place, and we'll start a new journey with positivity and confidence. Correct. So what is all this workshop about? So we'll be learning some concepts of Vedic mathematics. So it is a day to learn. Then we'll be learning how to launch your classes. If you want to learn, once you have learned, so what outcome? You want to launch further. You want to pass on this knowledge to the others. So for that, launching your own classes and moving towards the success in life. Correct? So it has dual motive. One is learning of Vedic mathematics, and second, launching of your own classes. Correct? Let's come to the topic, Vedic mathematics. Yes, how many of you are aware of the term Vedic mathematics? Anyone? And whatever you know, you can. Yes,
No idea, sir.
anything. If you know, it's okay. Otherwise, I can understand, because that is the reason I invited you. So people from
Okay,
India
thank you
and
for
Nepal, they are already aware. But Bhutan, I was launching for the first time. So I invited you, and I thank you that you are here with your colleagues. So whatever is coming in your mind, you can ask. Yes, Poonam?
यस सर सर 9th 10th में जब हम मैथ्स करते थे तो उसमें किसी किसी क्वेश्चंस में ट्रिग्नोमेट्री और ज्योमेट्री में ना साइड में दिया रहता था कि ये क्वेश्चन वैदिक मैथ से इस टाइप से होता, हम लोग उसको देखते थे, कभी थोड़ी देर सोचते थे कि ये कैसे हो रखा है, लेकिन नहीं समझ में आता था सर.
Okay. Yes, Ayush, anything you know about Vedic mathematics? Poonam, Sonam?
Yes, sir. It's
Yes,
doing calculation in a smart way or shortcut.
shortcut way, smart way. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Ayush. See, the target of this workshop is to become a trainer. So trainer बनना है तो ma'am, you have to be switched on your videos. कल class कैसे लेंगे? Suppose we
सर
are-
मेरे को थोड़ा ठीक आ रही है, इसलिए मैं बंद करी थी सर वीडियो.
चलिए,
Okay.
it's okay, great. Yes,
नहीं,
Ayush.
मेरा वो इसीलिए सर, और कुछ नहीं है.
कोई बात.
Okay.
Okay. चलिए. Yes, Ayush. Anything you know about Vedic mathematics? Okay. So let me introduce the subject. Very first thing, why is it called Vedic mathematics? Why not something else? Why the term Vedic? What does this Vedic means? It's not only something related to any religion, anything, but yes, Vedic itself means ocean of knowledge. The word
सर
Vedic,
वन क्वेश्चन प्लीज, सर वन क्वेश्चन प्लीज.
please go ahead.
सर जैसे वेद 4 वेद है ना, तो ये वैदिक मैथ से सर कौन किसी वेद में है पर्टिकुलर या फिर?
यही लाइन बोलने वाला हूं मैं. Next.
यस सर, यस सर.
I'll give you the answer just after a minute, not even minute.
यस सर.
So the word Vedic means ocean of knowledge, and also it is called as Vedic mathematics because it is believed to be derived from our Vedas. Yes, for people who are not from India, Vedas are our holy epics. So how many Vedas we have? Yes, all those who are from India and Nepal, they know this answer. How many Vedas?
दिस इज 4 सर.
कौन से?
ऋग्वेद, यजुर्वेद, अथर्ववेद और सामवेद.
Rigved, Samved, Yajurved, and Atharved. So this particular subject is believed to be originated from Atharved.
ओके सर.
So the Atharved, it deals with sculpture, medicine, mathematics, and all the sciences we today deal. So every science, it has the knowledge. Atharveda is a deep ocean of knowledge where we get the knowledge regarding sculpture, medicine, mathematics, sciences. So this particular subject, Vedic mathematics, is believed to be originated from Atharveda. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Second thing, now who gave this subject? Because definitely every one of us cannot directly read Atharveda and get the knowledge. Yes, Prakash, are you getting? So, Prakash, just some basics, 5 minutes, then we'll start with practicing. We'll do calculations then, right? So basics is required. Now, who gave this subject? Who is the father? Who is known as father of Vedic mathematics? So he is none other than Swami Bharati Krishna Tirath ji. Swami Bharati Krishna Tirath. Who was he? He was a Shankaracharya at Govardhan Peeth. Now, Shankara Peeths you already know. So there is a Govardhan Peeth by the name.
वो आपने रिबन पे लिखा हुआ है.
Yes, Ayush, anything?
Yes sir, वो आपने स्वामी जी आने क्या लिखा हुआ है?
Bharati, Bharathi, Bharati Krishna Tirath ji. Tirath. Okay, I'll give you that screen. So you can read here from here. Spelling mistakes nahi honge aapka. So this subject, so father of is Swami Bharati Krishna Tirath ji of Govardhan Peeth, right? Jagannath Puri. Now Jagannath Puri is in Odisha, correct?
Yes, sir.
So is it clear? Kahan se we got it from Vedas, that is Atharveda, and father of Vedic mathematics is Swami Bharati Krishna Tirath ji. He was a Shankaracharya at Govardhan Puri Peeth. Now, if somebody asks you what is Vedic mathematics, a simple line. So, Vedic mathematics is a collection of techniques. It is a collection of techniques, or now what do we call it? What do we call techniques in mathematics? We call it as formulas. So it is a collection of techniques or formulas, or in Vedic maths, we call it as sutras. In Sanskrit or Vedic maths, we call those formulas as sutras. So it is a collection of techniques, formulas, or sutras, which makes our mathematical calculations easy, simple, and faster. A very simple definition. What makes our calculations simple, easy, and faster? Got it? Then one doubt is,
Sir, repeat once more time.
it is a collection of techniques
Yes, sir.
or formulas, or what we call over here is sutras, which makes our mathematical calculations simple, easy, and faster. Got it? Yes, Prakash, is this definition clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Clear.
Now, so what all we can do in Vedic mathematics? So we can do arithmetic, the basics, the first important concept, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, calculus, conics, and even organic chemistry. So wherever you will find mathematical calculations, there we get the help of Vedic mathematics. Try to understand one very simple understanding is, it is not a different subject It is a way to do mathematics easily, faster, and simply. So don't correlate, no, we'll have a different subject, nothing like that. The same mathematics, whatever your course is, whatever your structure is, it will help you to do that course, do that structure in a different manner and in number of ways. That we'll learn today, that how your mind, your way of thinking will change within half an hour. Clear? Any questions till now? Any questions you have up till now? Yes, Sonam?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I hope from Bhutan you might be understanding, because initially we started with something related to our epics, but now it would be the all technical terms. Poonam,
Yes,
Preeti,
sir.
anything, any question you have?
No,
Okay,
sir.
very. So coming back, now, why we all are here? Because whenever we go to social media, there is a term Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics. Anything you go on Google, you find the term Vedic mathematics. Correct? There is so much of hype about this subject. So much people are talking about this subject. So the question arises, why Vedic mathematics? Why Vedic mathematics? Correct? Do you have this question in your mind?
Yes, sir.
This is the biggest question, right? Because all of you also, okay, now in India, Government of India has already implemented national education policy, and as per that, it is a compulsion for us to learn. So it would be implemented this March from new session. So it is a compulsion for our students. It is compulsion for the teachers to understand. But what is the compulsion worldwide? If you see, so much of research is going on this subject. You talk about any big country, UK, US, Australia, New Zealand, so many research are being conducted on this subject. So what is in this subject that there is so much of hype? So much of hype is there. Why? Why Vedic mathematics is a big question today. So I'll give you the answers regarding it. The very first reason is it increases our calculation speed. Ten to 15 times faster. So whenever you open Google, Facebook, anything, any social media, and write Vedic maths, the first line will appear. It increases our calculation speed 10 to 15 times faster. Can you believe this would happen? Can you believe this could happen within some minutes or some time? And at this age of time. Yes, Prakash, can you believe? Yes, Aruna?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Let's be practical. Let's be practical, because today we cannot believe on anything written or anything said. We need proof for that. Without proof, how can we believe? Okay, even if we believe, we cannot tell it to others until we are satisfied. Until unless we have got a logic behind that. Until unless we have technical proof about it. So very first thing is it correct or not? Is this statement correct or not? Yes, I will prove you today. But why does it happen? My question is behind the scene. Why does it happen? Okay, assuming it is correct. But why? You all are science students. You all are living in an internet era, a Google era. So for even a small thing, we search on Google. Why? So why? And even if you don't have that query in your mind, when you'll be teaching to a child of even class 3rd, he'll ask the first question. Why? Why will speed increase? And we need to answer that question. So yes, anyone has anything? Why the speed increases? Ayush, you know something? Anyone? Preeti? Dava? I told you very fast. Poonam, don't take it
Yes,
as
sir.
a
I
joke.
have attended your one session, sir. Before in that session, you teach the multiplication little. In that, you teach the formula how we can do.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that means it is because of formula.
Yes, sir. There are some formulas. If we learn it in a doing multiplication in a easy way, you have teach, sir. What I have three means cross formula. Then like I have attended
No
your
issues,
session,
no
so
issues,
little bit I do.
no issues. Today I'll give you the thorough knowledge about it. That might be a ask me now session where we take
Yes,
the
sir.
doubts,
Yes, sir.
question answers regarding Vedic mathematics.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Right.
sir.
So let me tell you, everyone, this is a workshop where we have a prescribed syllabus. But even after this, if you have any doubts, any questions regarding this subject, you can join us on Tuesdays and Thursdays. That is a 1 hour session. Ask me now, FAQ session. Ask me now, where you can put your questions, your doubts, your inquiries regarding this subject. So I'll share you all with that also. Now, coming back to why does this speed increases, or why do we feel that this speed increases? Let me give you the reasons. Now, I'll ask question to everyone, please answer. How do we read a paper? How do we read a paper from left hand side to right hand side? Yes or no? Yes, Prakash? Sakshi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Preeti?
Yes, sir.
Dava?
Yes, sir.
And how do we write on a paper? Again, from left hand side to right hand side. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Only Urdu leaves that exception right now because I'll explain you on that also. So all of you agree on this part. We read from left hand side to right hand side, and we write from left hand side to right hand side.
Yes, sir.
Prakash, Rinzin, Sonam Wangchuk, iPhone 11.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
I hope you all are understanding, because yes, it is first session for you. So whatever your queries
Yes,
are, you are
yes.
most welcome to ask. Now, you all are mathematics teachers, correct? My question is, then why do we do maths calculation the reverse way? This is a question for all the math teachers. We all calculate mathematics from right hand side to left hand side. Why? When everything in our life we do from left to right, why maths calculation right to left?
From
Yes,
simple
Prakash.
to from simple digit place value to higher place value,
Okay.
because it is easier to calculate a simpler smaller place value.
So did you
Then
try
we go
any
move
time? Did you any time try the reverse way?
on.
See,
No, sir. No,
Just-
never,
No.
never,
just-
never. Sir.
Prakash, kindly understand my point. You said it is easier to do from lower side. That means unit place, tens place, 100 place. Correct? But when we said it is easier, that means we are taking something as a reference. So did we try opposite way anytime?
No, sir. No, never, sir.
So when we have never
Never,
tried,
sir.
how can we think this way? Okay, just see in front of you. You are sitting at your home, at your comfortable places. See in front of you. You might be having a cupboard, a Almira, books, anything placed. The first instant, you'll see the things placed on right hand side or left hand side. Just see. It would be in fraction of seconds. But the first instant, you'll see the things placed on left hand side and then towards the right hand side. It is always like this because everything we do like this. We have a habit of doing from left to right.
You are correct, sir.
Right. Now, today we'll understand, and this is one basic reason why our mental mathematics is slow. See, I'm not criticizing mathematics. I am saying why we lack in mental mathematics. Mental means we are not able to calculate mentally. And that is a reason we go down slow. So our speed goes low, or we are not able to calculate mentally from right to left. And Vedic maths will give you an option. Today you'll study how you can do it from left to right or right to left. Both the ways you will be doing. And I'll leave the conclusion to you. Which way is faster? Correct? So we'll do this. But up till now, so that once you are able to do from left to right, the speed will increase. This is my perception. This is my point. But I would like you also to realize this thing. What you have to answer this. Second thing. Okay. If you have to do some work on your own, that would be faster. Or if you are dependent on someone, then it would be faster. Tell me.
Sir, if we do by ourselves, it will be faster.
Correct. The very big example, if maid is not there, maid is absent, you are able to do household job much easier, much short time. Maybe you're doing less things, but in a much faster way. Yes, Gaurav, what about you? Independence is faster or dependency is faster? Rinzin, Tendel, iPhone.
Independent, sir.
Now, the same thing I'll make you realize today. I'll make you independent of paper and pen. So for calculation, if you don't need paper and pen, and you're just doing it with your mental mind, so that would be much faster. So in Vedic mathematics, most of the calculations can be done mentally or in very few steps. And that means we are independent of paper and pen. So when no paper and pen is required, we are faster. This is the reason why speed increases in Vedic mathematics. So independence of paper and pen. Clear? Any question on this? Third thing, a very important thing in your life. When now you all are teachers or parents. When two students are fighting or two children are fighting, what do you say? What is the first thing you teach them? See, Prakash, I told you I'll
Why
take.
are you fighting?
Yes, that is the question. But first thing you say, okay, relax.
Don't fight.
Relax, yes. Keep cool. Right.
Yes.
Why do we say like this? What exactly we want them to? We want them to visualize. We all want that they should visualize what is the issue, because, okay, let me write. We want them to visualize. And then with cool mind, they should find a reason behind it. And then apply logic. This is known as visualization, reasoning, and so we want them to visualize, then find a reason, and then apply logic. A person who has, or a student who has these three things in life: visualization, reasoning, and logic, he will be able to survive through any situation in your life. Whatever problem arises, you'll try to visualize that. Oh, yes, this was my point. This was where I was wrong, or this was what I should have done. Then you get the reason and you apply logics. Now, this is called as life-changing process. But how will you get this? How will this visualization, reasoning, logic, enhance in yourself. Nobody is going to put you with something, a syrup or a medicine, and you'll start visualizing. No. So how does this come? How does this practice happen? Or how does we absorb? It is when you start visualizing numbers. I'll give you a very small example. We all remember a movie if we have seen with video. Will we remember the same part if we have just listened to the audio only? So there is always visualization has more effect. That is the reason when you teach preschool students, small students, you show the images. Basically, that is the concept of visualization. You want them to visualize that images, and that penetrates in their brains for long. Now, what here happens, I'll show you. Okay, a very small question for all of you. I just want how you will attempt this question. I don't want an answer right now. I just want how you will be a 576 multiplied by 121. Just only this thing. How will you do? Prakash. First step. What will be the first step? Aruna. If you'll not answer to this, you'll not experience that magic also. I want you to feel that.
Hello.
magic.
Hello, sir. Can I try, sir?
Sure, ma'am.
First, I will multiply the hundreds, then multiply tens and multiply ones. Then you add all the product. Then you will get the answers.
Okay. As a student, they'll do like this.
Yes, we
Okay.
used to teach them these methods.
Okay. Perfect. I don't want right now answers. Just remember you answered this way. Yes, Rinzin, Prakash. Perfect, ma'am. You are absolutely correct. But I'll show you some magic. Poonam, कैसे करेंगे? Ayush, is this the method we'll follow? कि और भी कुछ होता है? Anything else?
सर वैदिक मैथ्स में और भी कुछ होता है,
नहीं
लेकिन ऐसे
लीव वैदिक मैथ्स. वैदिक मैथ्स तो बाद में
ऐसे
आएगा.
करते हैं, हम भी ऐसे ही सिखाते हैं सर.
बस बात. Yes, Preeti, Nagwa, Ayush, Amit. See, why I'm asking you this question? Because when you'll experience, then only you'll be able to experience magic. Wow, my thinking changed. I want to show you that how your thinking will change within a time span of 15 to 20 minutes. You'll start thinking differently. And that magic will happen only if you know what you were thinking first. Prakash, again to you. Sorry, I'm bothering you again and again, but I want 100% out of it. Yes.
100 also. 1 times 500, 1 times 70, 1 times 6, like that. Then
Correct.
later on we can add.
Correct. This is the way, right? Okay. Just remember you answered me this. I don't want to tell you right now. But yeah, yes, I'll say we will change. Coming to the fourth reason, that was just to make you remember how we would have applied. Now the fourth reason, see, when we are doing the calculations mentally, some part of the calculation you will always keep in your intellect. So what will happen? Both your brains will start working. Both left brain and right brain, they will start working. Or you can say both brains get activated. You might be knowing we are generally not using our both brains. Very few people, very few people, they only are able to use their both brains. So my question is, who has left brain active? Or who are the people who has left brain active and who are the people who have right brain active? Anyone? Aruna, left brain किसका active होता है? Poonam, Ayush, Sonam, Dava, Karma, Rinzin, Pelden.
सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर,
Yes.
सर मोस्टली लेफ्ट ब्रेन सबका ही एक्टिव होता है, क्योंकि मोस्टली हम लोग राइट हैंड से वर्क करते हैं, तो हमारा लेफ्ट ब्रेन ही ज्यादा एक्टिव रहता है।
इसका मतलब जो लेफ्ट हैंड से लिखता होगा उसका राइट ब्रेन एक्टिव होता है।
यस सर।
लेफ्ट ब्रेन से आप, डू यू अलाउ एनीबॉडी टू राइट फ्रॉम लेफ्ट हैंड? जस्ट रिमेंबर, आपकी मदर, उनकी मदर, उन्होंने क्या जबरदस्ती आपको राइट हैंड से करवाया था? आप अलाउ करते हैं क्या राइट लेफ्ट हैंड से लिखने देना?
नहीं सर।
फिर ये लॉजिक ही नहीं है, ये तो दिस इज जस्ट what we heard and we believe on that. I want a scientific answer. See, nobody, yes, what she was saying was people who have left brain, who write with right hand, they have left brain active. Nothing like that. Because we never want our kids to write from left hand. So that logic is not okay. See, left brain is active for all the people who are logically stronger, who use their brains for and go for logics. You might have seen so many kids asking so many questions. That is left brain more active. And there are people who are more oriented towards arts, music, dance, creativity. And such kind of students, they are logically, they don't think anything. You might have experienced this in your classes. Those have right brain active. So right is related to creativity, arts, music, dance, but left is related to logical. Correct? And with this subject, both the brains will get active. I'll give you the small exercise. Within seconds, you'll start believing, yes, my both brains have worked. You'll be becoming more faster. And the very big impact is your concentration levels will increase, which is the biggest problem you face when you are attending the parents at the time of PTM. PTM, they come and they say, my child is working, he's studying a lot, but he's not able to concentrate. There is no medicine for concentration. The only thing is right approach. I'll give you the answers, how concentration will increase and why it increases. Any questions? Any questions till now, so that we can start with the calculation part? Yes, anyone?
No, sir,
Prakash,
no,
any questions?
No,
Okay.
no doubt. Sir.
No, sir.
No issues. I think when
Sir, Madam Prince Dolma is kicked out from the meeting. I don't know what is the problem.
sorry,
She's iPhone 11 is requesting. She's
No,
our
no.
lecturer.
no, we don't removed anyone. So,
Oh, I
ask her
think
to
this-
again join. And nothing like
Okay,
that, sir. How is it possible?
Okay, sir.
Please.
Okay,
Please.
sir. Okay.
No issue, sir. How should it happen? Okay. So please take out paper and pen and we'll start doing calculation as well as whatever we studied till now. Whatever we studied till now, we will experience that. Was it correct or not? Or we were just saying it? Things should need to be proved today. Yes, she is able to join, Prakash. I'm not getting a request. Okay, I'm making you co-host. You can do it because I'll start with the class.
Okay,
I've
sir.
made
Okay.
you co-host. Okay,
Okay, okay, sir.
got it. Okay, now coming to the first topic we'll do is multiplication with 11 and its multiples. So you can write down this topic because I'll be asking a question on this also. See how good your teacher is. He's telling you what question he'll be asking in the exam. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Now, please, I need answers from everyone. In case you are not able to speak, your audio is giving a problem, please send the answers on chat box. But we will do now 100 plus questions, so that has to be fast enough. Very first, 11. Now, 11 is such a magical number. If you multiply with any single digit number, it gives the same result written twice. 11 into 3, 33. 11 into 4, 44. 11 into 9, 99. 11 into 7, 77. But did you see, did you know the same magic? Yes, Renzin? Did you ever thought what happens when it is not a single digit number, it becomes a double digit number? Does that magic continues? Or what happens? What change is there? So let me show you. The first thing is, first number is 12 into 11. I'm just discussing on the topic multiplication with 11. So we'll not every time write 11. It is understood now. Now, what is the answer? Yes, anyone? What is 12 into 11? I think it's very simple for all math teachers, but still I want the answer so that I'll tell you the Vedic maths way. 132.
132, sir.
Perfect. Yes, any other? Okay. Now see, we have learned this way. 12, 11, 2, 1, 0, 2, 1, and that gives 132. Correct? This is the way how we do.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
see the magic, see the Vedic maths way. First digit as it is, last digit as it is, in between add the numbers. So what is easy? First digit as it is, last digit as it is, in between add the numbers. Did you understand? Prakash, Nimzim, Nagwa, Tendel.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
if you
sir.
understood, you need to give me the answer.
Understood, sir. Understood.
So what is 23 into 11? Fast, everyone. I need answers in the chat box, or you can speak.
Sir, 253.
253.
It's okay. You can say like 253 only. No issues. Yes, Rimzim. Ome,
Sir.
Amit.
253.
Very good.
253.
253.
Very good. So what is 34 into 11? Fast. Aruna.
374.
Yes, sir, 374.
374.
374. Good. What is
74, sir.
what is 36 into 11?
396.
396.
396.
396. Anyone
396.
who could not understand, please ask me. Anyone? Ayush, you're not answering. क्या हुआ? समझ आ रहा है?
सर समझ तो आ रहा है
हाँ बोलिए.
बहुत अच्छे से
पर आंसर इसलिए देना बेटा, जब आप आंसर दोगे ना.
मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था कि हम 11 से किसी भी नंबर का मल्टीप्लाई करें, चाहे वो मतलब कितना भी, मतलब 1 to 99 तक कर सकते हैं क्या, फिर 100 से ऊपर
अरे भैया,
multiply करें?
नहीं, अभी तो 20 डिजिट नंबर भी करोगे आप.
2 डिजिट्स नंबर पे सर
अभी तो स्टार्ट है. आयुष स्टार्ट किया है. विल गो फॉर 5 डिजिट्स इमीडिएटली, एंड आई टेल यू द एक्सरसाइज बिहाइंड इट. डोंट टेक इट एज अ ट्रिक. आई टेल यू द कंसेप्ट. कल को देखो, यहाँ पर हम यहीं बैठ के 20 डिजिट तो नहीं करेंगे, बट आपको 20 डिजिट भी आ जाएगा. I'll kill you. Don't worry about that. But answer इसलिए दो क्योंकि the more you'll give answers, you will feel better. Yes, I can do it. That thing, that positivity जब आ जाएगी ना आप में, you'll feel very good. Right? Okay, yes, 45 into 11. Everyone, you can send on chat box.
495.
495.
Now, I could not get how many people are sleeping, how many are answering. So I think we should put it on the chat. Let's check how many people are answering. Right? So 44 into 11, fast. Let's put it on the chat.
484. 484. Sir.
484.
Only Nidab, Sonam. Yes, everyone. We'll take it on chat only. Then only attendance would be there.
Oh, okay.
See why? Please understand why I'm asking you to answer, because I want you to feel the magic, and that you'll feel when you'll answer more. Good. That's great. Thank you. Okay, 63 into 11.
693.
Yes, write down, fast. 693 first.
60.
Very good.
693.
Very good. Going on, great. Very good.
693.
So Prakash is dead. Prakash, your colleagues are faster.
Yes, sir.
No, I said your colleagues are faster. It's good, yeah. It's good. No issues. What is 19 to 11?
Okay.
Fast. Think.
990.
Very good. Now I'll make you understand one more thing. See, when it goes 36 into 11, now we need to understand one very important thing. See, we were doing first digit as it is, and then I'm putting a balancing line. Now, a line, sorry. 3 plus 6, 9, and a line. Now, what is this line called? This is basically a balancing line. Physically, it has no meaning because we will not use in maths, we will not use anywhere. But yes, for our understanding why we are putting, we call it as a balancing line. Why? Because very first we'll understand one concept we learned long back, place values. Do we remember that? How many digits you can have at unit place? How many digits you can have at unit place?
One.
Everyone? One? Yes, Peldon. How 10? How 10? See, 10 are the different numbers. But how many total digits you are having? Only one. You can have 0, you can have 1, you can have 2 at that, you can have 3. That is number. You can have 10 different numbers, but only one digit. Please understand this point. 10 different numbers could be accommodated, but at only one number at a one time. Na?
Yes.
How many digits at 10th position? Again, how many digits at 10th position? Yes. Now some answer here 2. See, 2 are again the total numbers, but only one at one position. How many digits at 100 position? Only one.
One.
But that is all. If you understood this place value concept, or if a child understands this, 50% of Vedic maths is done. Because Vedic maths works with balancing lines, which are very easy to understand. I'll tell you example now. We just did 36 into 11. So that was 3, 9. But the moment we go for 37, so is it 3, 10, 7?
No, sir.
Why? Because here one digit, but here it is wrong. We cannot have 2 digits. So what we do? Pass on extra. So carry. Yes. Now we understood. Now another way of thinking. Use your brains. How to use both your brains? See, I told first digit as it is. So one brain is writing 3. No, I'm getting a carryover because the next number is having a carryover. 3 plus 7 will always give a carryover. So I just write 4. And thus, what is the total? 10. So 0 and 7 as it is. This is the way how you can train your brain. Okay. What is
Interesting. Sir.
what is 64 into 11?
704.
Only one answer. Yeah. Please come on the chat.
704.
704.
I want on the chat so that I should know who is not answering, who is sleeping.
चैटिंग कैसे करते हैं इसमें?
नहीं आ रहा आपको? चलो आप बोल दो.
704 सर.
कोई बात नहीं. Correct. Okay. 69 into 11. Fast. Fast.
759. 759, sir.
59.
Got it? How? Say 6 will change to 7 and 5 and 9 are 15. So 5 and 9. Okay.
Yes.
77 into 11.
847, sir.
847.
847.
Very good. Very good. Great. Everybody done? Anyone who has a doubt, please ask. Ayush. Doubt?
Clear from my side, sir. Clear.
Poonam?
Clear, sir.
Very good. Okay. Coming
No
again.
doubt, clearly.
88 into 11.
968.
968.
968.
968. Very good.
968.
Yes. Okay. Now tell me one thing. What is the largest two-digit number?
99.
99.
So what is 99 into 11? Fast. What is 99 into 11?
1009.
Write down.
1089.
Write down.
1089.
Just, do you have calculators in your hand or mobile phones? Check who is faster. You are doing it faster or your calculators can do faster in this particular.
We are doing
Ourselves.
faster, sir.
So if we can do faster, why do we take the help of calculators every moment? I asked Mr. Prakash you the question. How many phone numbers do you remember now? Yes, everyone. How many phone numbers do you remember?
Maybe
Everyone.
1 or 2, sir.
Maybe
Only
one or
about
two.
my wife.
And 10 years back, when you were not having mobile phones, when you were not having cell phones, at that time, when landline phones were there, that time, how many numbers you remembered?
सर तब बहुत सारे रहते थे यार.
Why? Just think why. क्यों रहते थे?
Because now we are dependent with gadgets.
See, we have programmed our brains कि yes, everything is stored in my mobile. I don't need to remember. And that is a biggest problem because if I take off your mobile or if it is shut down due to battery close, you don't know even your home number sometimes. Or whom to call for help. You don't have the option that way. Yes or no? Everyone faces this problem or not?
Yes, sir.
यस सर.
Yes,
कभी
yes.
कभी तो सर मैं अपना भी नंबर भूल जाती हूँ.
चलो ये सच्चाई दिखाने के लिए thank you. So this is hardcore reality. The way we will program our brains, it will work the same way. So हमने ही programming की है, हमें ही सुधारनी है. We have programmed our brains. We have to set it right. Okay. So any doubt for two-digit numbers?
No
Any
sir.
doubt on two-digit numbers?
No, sir.
Kelly. So let's move for three-digit numbers then, bigger numbers. So very first question, a most simplest one. What is 123 into 11?
340. 123.
Fast. Yes, Peldon, why no, sir? Okay. Got it.
1352 sir.
Wrong. Yes, anyone? Okay, I'll answer.
1353.
So 163.
153.
1.
1353, sir. Sorry.
Then
1353.
1 plus 2 is 3. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. And 3 as it is. Simple. The same pattern. See, I told you this is not a trick. This is a concept in itself. And we'll learn 20 digits also. What's the point? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Then what is
No, sir.
321 into 11? Fast.
No,
Without
sir.
pen and paper. What, mentally, just think mentally. 321. Practice as much as with your mind.
3531.
Very good.
31, sir.
3531.
3521.
3531.
That was required. See, the more we'll use our brain, will be faster. Faster than the calculator or any gadget. Okay. So what is 444 into 11?
4884.
4884.
4884.
What is 333?
8.
3663.
3663.
363.
So till now I was asking the questions where we were not having carryover. Now, Belden, it's 3663 because it was 333. So 3 will remain as it is, 663. Okay. Seven, 6, 7. Now what is the answer? Now everybody, no issues, Belden. I just, now I want on the chat for this.
837.
How can it be 3-digit number?
8437.
See, again the same thing. Think from
Question,
this side.
please, sir.
7, I said right as it is, but you observe that there is a carryover coming because 7 plus 6 will all.
8437.
Yes, I'm just explaining how to train your brain. So I understand that, yes, I'll get a carryover, so I immediately write one more. Again, 7 plus 6 was 3 because 1 has already gone. So, but before writing 3, I observe again that a carryover is coming. So I write 4.
Yes, sir. 4. Then
So
3
this is
7.
how you have to train your brain. Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
4, 8, 5 into 11. Fast.
5, 3,
5335.
Very good.
3, 5.
Yes,
Good, good. Ringy.
Aruna, Poonam,
Yes, sir.
you cracked some joke, Prakash. So please tell me also. Yes, Prakash, kindly share the jokes with me also.
No, she's the fastest calculator. sir.
Yes, she is doing good. And see, no, it's because that is, I'll tell you how concentration level increases, and that is the reason how concentration level increases. The child or anyone should feel the positivity. Okay, I'll ask certain questions after this session. At the end of the session, then I'll tell you what happens actually. Okay, 8, 9, 8. What is the answer?
8.
9878.
9, 8, 7, 8.
7 8.
Yes, others? Others, please.
Yes, sir. 9878.
9878.
Very good. Yes.
Correct. 9878.
Aruna, kahan gaye? Poonam?
Got it, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thak gaye? Okay.
Oh, friends, don't use calculator, huh?
No,
we are not using.
See, if they'll use calculator, they'll be slow. Their brain is much faster than the calculator. I want them to realize this only. That's all. Things are done. let the outcome be only this much ki we realize our brain is faster. So, but it should be they should enjoy, not anything. Okay, what is 890?
9790.
9790.
Okay, what if it is 809?
809.
सर वो कैसे हुआ 890 वाला?
ये वाला
8,
हाँ।
8,
ये देखो
9,
first
8,
8
809.
plus 9 कितना होता है? 17. 9 plus 0 कितना हुआ? 9 और last 0. Got it, Ayush? Yes, Ayush, did you understand or not? Still?
Yes, sir. I will understand.
और ये 8, then 8,
8.
then 9, then
9.
9. Finish. Okay. 9, 6, 5, 4. Oh, sorry. 9, 6, 5.
10, 6.
ठीक कर रहे हो, चलो आगे.
10, 1, 6, 10, 6 से 15.
105.
1, 0.
6, 1, 5.
1. 6.
1 5.
1 5 1 5 1
6 1 5.
11.
9, 6, 15.
Angit, please see, check your answer again, Angit, or if it may be typing mistake.
15.
Yes, others, what happened?
11.
Fast. Try it with brain. No issues. Let it be slow.
10615, sir.
Let it be a bit slow now, but you'll be better. You'll feel better. That's all. Done?
Done.
Okay. Done. So what is the largest 3-digit number?
999.
999. So what is 999 into 11? Fast.
10989.
Very good. So that means you tried first only. You knew that sir will be asking the same question. He was ready with the answer. Good. It's good. Only one is answering in the chat. Yes, Sonam. Good. Others?
तो मेरा आंसर
Same,
तो
sir.
10999 आया है.
10989.
Yes, it 999. Ayush, see. 9 plus 9 is 18. Again, 9 plus 9 is 18. Again, 9. So what will happen? This will go here, 10. This is also coming, 9, 8, 9. How 999? Yes,
Sorry,
Ayush.
sir.
नहीं कोई समझ आया कि नहीं? You should understand. That's all.
Yes, sir. आ गया.
Understood
चलिए,
thoroughly.
Okay. So let's go for 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. Now what is the answer?
43574.
13574.
13574. Very, very good. Whosoever answered this.
13574.
So you got the concept.
13574.
Now you understood the concept. Aruna, समझ आया? Poonam.
Yes sir.
Yes,
सर
sir.
मुझे थोड़ा सा एक बार ये लेफ्ट टू राइट बता दीजिए सर.
ये देख क्या?
Yeah.
ये देखो.
लेफ्ट टू राइट कर रहे हैं क्या सर हम?
मैं तो लेफ्ट टू राइट कर रहा हूँ. क्योंकि दिमाग आप पढ़ते कैसे हैं? देखो पढ़ कैसे रहे हो? 1, 2, 3, 4. तो वो उसी में टोटल जल्दी हो जाएगा.
Oh.
1
Yes,
2
yes.
5.
I'll give you all the examples after solving. Don't worry.
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
4, 6, 1. 9. Yes, what is the answer?
4, 6, 1, 9, 5.
4,
5.
4, 10,
This becomes 5.
7, 9, 7, 9.
7.
50809.
Yes, because 7 will also change.
8. 809.
Very good, Sonam.
50809, sir.
Perfect. Got it? This is where you need to understand that another carryover is coming. And see, Prakash, if this question was given to you before, how you would have solved, how much time you would have taken. And now you are doing it in seconds with brain. And that is what is required when you start. Well, students will start doing this in fun. They will enjoy. And once they enjoy your class, then they will gain that confidence. They'll get
Yes, sir. Enjoying, sir.
everything. See, now we generally say students, they are weak. We generally say this thing, they are weak. They are not able to do anything. They are not able to remember. How is it possible? They can remember 40 movies together, frame by frame, 3 hours movie. They can remember the lyrics of songs, 40 songs, 50 songs together. So why not 40-minute class of yours? Because they are not interested in your class or anybody's class. So we need to generate that interest. And that will always come when they find the things easy. Correct. We just have to change the way only, na? Maths is same. We are changing the way. That's all. Okay. So 5, 6, 5, 6. What is the answer? Into 11. Please on the chat box so that we see how many are attending.
62216.
6, 2, 2, 1,
6.
Yes, Aruna, हुआ आपसे ट्रेन से?
सर अभी ना मुझे लेफ्ट टू राइट प्रैक्टिस नहीं है सर, मुझे भी राइट टू लेफ्ट ही है।
नहीं, प्रैक्टिस इसमें चाहिए ही नहीं थी। आप अच्छा कैसे कर रहे हैं? आप सोच सकते हैं? आप कैसे कर रहे हैं? बताइए।
लेफ्ट टू राइट मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है सर, लेफ्ट टू राइट।
कर कैसे रहे हैं? कोई बात नहीं, आप बताइए।
सर 5 जैसे 5 लिखा ना 5।
हाँ, उसके बाद
6 + 5 किया 11।
अच्छा, अब एक बात बताओ, अब सिर्फ सोचो, जस्ट इमेजिन, हमने 5 लिखना था, बट
जी
ऑब्जर्व किया कि यस द अदर कैलकुलेशन इज 11, तो
जी सर,
अल्टीमेटली उसको 6 कर दो।
जी सर, हो गया।
अब रह गया 1 लिखने लगे, पर देखा एक और आ रहा है, सो 2 अगेन, इसका 1 लिखना लगे तो देखा 2, अब 5 और 6 का 11 और 6।
अच्छा,
आप अभी डिपेंडेंट बन के क्या कर रहे हैं? 5, 11, 11, 11 और 6 लिख रहे हैं और फिर ऐसे चल रहे हैं। करेक्ट?
यस सर।
क्योंकि आप खुद कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं हो रहे कि मुझे नहीं होगा। अरे 2 गलत कर दो, 2 गलत होने दो, तीसरा ठीक हो जाएगा। गलत करके भी कोई यहाँ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ब्रेन को ट्रेन करो। सोचो कि आप, क्योंकि पढ़ तो ऐसे ही सकते हो, आप ऐसे तो पढ़ भी नहीं सकते। चाहे ऐसे पढ़ के दिखाओ, 6 5 कैसे पढ़ोगे? Got it?
Yes sir.
Okay. Yes everyone, 4 8 9 7 fast. We have lot to go to learn today. It's just start.
5 3 8 6 7.
5 3 8
8
6 7.
6 7.
Very good.
Yes sir.
Any questions now?
clear, la, sir.
Last 8899.
Nine,
97.
7,
97889.
889.
8, 8, 9.
9.
9.
Yes, Ayush. हो गया पूनम?
Yes, sir. थोड़ा cal-
कोई बात नहीं लिख के कर लो अगर आपको अभी मेंटल में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, बट फिर भी कैलकुलेटर से तो फास्ट हो।
जी सर।
वही तो बनना है हमें, बच्चों को वही तो बनाना है। See,
Of course,
what
sir.
what happens at this age, we stop thinking, we stop, our brain also stop. But remember when we were in early childhood years, at that time we could learn anything. So if we make them understand at the right age, they'll never forget. Correct. Okay, so what is the largest 4-digit number? Let's wrap up this topic. We'll move to another. What is the largest 4-digit number?
9999.
9,999.
What is 4 times 9 into 11? Fast.
10 9
9 sir.
109989.
109989. Perfect.
9.
So easy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this was my first question. If you remember, what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? At that time, no one was answering. Now, can you answer?
Mm.
First, no paper is required for this because you don't have carryovers in this.
1,
7,
1, 3, 5,
3 5 7 9 5.
795.
Got it? Yes, Prakash, I asked you this question in the early morning today. Remember?
9-5.
May I ask you this question? Huh?
Yes, sir. But that time I don't have this Vedic idea.
Now is it easy or not? Not even 2 seconds.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
It is very fast.
So you have any
Thank you,
questions
thank you
now, or should we
for
go for
knowledge,
the
sir.
test?
I think we have to go for the best.
Okay, very first thing. What was the topic?
Multiplying
What?
by 11.
Yes, Aruna. Topic क्या था? Poonam. Ayush. What was the
Topic
topic?
multiplication with 11 and
Multiplying
its
by 11
multiply.
and its multiples.
Okay. So where did we multiply? Where did we multiply?
Mentally,
In our
sir.
brain,
In our
Tell me. ऐसे how brain? What is this excuse? Where did
we
we
have used
multiply?
Mental math.
Answer my question. Where did we multiply? You are saying multiply.
We multiplied mentally
No.
using our brain calculators.
Nothing. See, the moment, tell them you are half right, but half right is not correct. I'll tell you why. See, when we start with first class, second class, when we start with multiplication, first is we teach 2 into 3 is 6, correct? But none of the students understand what is this cross. Initially, they don't know. So you teach 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, or 3 plus 3 is 6. And you say multiplication is
Repeated addition.
addition or action of addition, correct? Repetitive action of addition. This is what you teach.
yes, sir.
Perfect. This is all
Yes, sir.
correct. I am correct. Now,
Even-
here my first question was 12 into 11. So did I add it 12, 11 times? Did I add it 12, 11 times? Or did I
No,
add it
sir.
11, 12 times?
No, sir, no.
So how the answer could be added?
narrow.
So how the answer could be added? Yes, madam. Now you just.
Oh, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2. 132
What 132?
is the answer.
Sir, I'm asking, did we add it? Somebody gave the answer, we added. So that is not correct. So what we did in this concept, if we didn't multiply, if we did not add it directly, what we did? This is my question. Aruna,
We kept the
Here
first
we
and
have-
last digits.
We're looking at the pattern, sir. Pattern.
that is, sir, clear. Agar, if you have to teach this to students, what you'll say? We added or we added pattern? See,
Visualize.
yes, we added, but what we added? We added corresponding digits. See, this is the correct word. Otherwise, how students will understand? Or how will you remember? If I just tell you, you added, you will remember for long. You added corresponding digits. See, in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 also. Did you added 1 and 5? Did you added 2 and 5? Did you added 3 and 5? No. You added 1 plus 2 or 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 4 or
Plus
4
4,
plus 5. So
4
that
plus
means
5.
you added corresponding digits
Corresponding.
or consecutive digits. The digit one after the other only you added. No? So when we are explaining to the students, we need to have a perfect answer. We need to be very good in choosing the words. So you cannot say it lightly, we added the word, added. No. Okay, what more you observe? This is the first observation of this system, of this pattern. What second you observe? Very important thing you observe. Observation 2. Yes, Prakash. Now I want to answer from everyone. Whatever you felt, tell me. Aruna, okay. Poonam, what did you observe from this pattern or this system? Prakash, Gaurav.
We have
Whenever-
kept and the last
First
digit
and
as
last
it is.
digit.
Okay.
Whenever we get 2 digits, when we add the corresponding digits, we carry it to the next digit, sir.
Okay. This we have already stated in first. I want tell me. This was the first observation. Anything important, anything which you did for the first time?
Questions once more, sir.
See, I said, what did you observe? You said, we calculated, we did this. Agree. See, one was we did addition, and what addition we did? We added simultaneous or consecutive numbers. Anything else? What did we observe?
So calculation
Number
fast.
of digit in the place value, sir.
Okay. That was the place value concept. We just revised it. What did we learn from this particular system of multiplication? Neither that is correct. We kept, that is not an observation. That is what we did. And first digit changes whenever we get the carryover. Yes, last digit remains the same. That is because when you are multiplying with 1, it will remain the same. This is not the observation. I want a clear answer. Anyone, please try. Prakash, once more. Kashi, Ayush.
Hello.
Please.
You could calculate faster.
Happy to listen that. No,
Yeah, visualizing numbers in our brain.
that is good. Okay, for the first time
And
in your life,
calculating
get
faster.
from left to right calculations.
Mm.
Tell me, yes or no? Were you not able
Left to
1, 3, 5,
Left to
7,
right calculation is faster than right to left.
So try reverse. Try reverse. You will get slow because this is the way. Okay, I'll give you a very big example. Have you sailed a boat? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Have you sailed a boat? So when we are sailing the boat in the opposite direction to the wind, what happens? We get slow. But when we are moving with the wind, we get faster. So our brain can read from left to right in the faster way. So when we are calculating from left to right, we get more faster because that speed gets added. But when we go reverse, that speed slows down. It's not that we cannot do. We can do both the ways, but left to right will be always faster. And right to left will be a bit slower. So Prakash, did you get the answer? So it was not only unit place, tens place, 100 place, nothing. Calculations can be done without that also. And this is just a start. Is it clear? Yes.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now math teachers, do you have any question for me? Okay. So now, are you ready for the test? Ready for the
Sure,
test
sir.
or
Yes,
not?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First question is 141 into 22. Please solve this. Fast. Let's see and I'll wait for the answer in the chat box.
20 में होते.
Okay.
So this is 22.
Yes, this is 22.
We learned about 11, not 22.
Think.
602. 602.
Yes, anyone? Anyone? Sonam, Nagwa, Dava, Karma, Tashi, Preeti, Nidu, Rimpe.
3102.
302, sir. Sir, 302.
3102.
Yes,
3102.
Tashi. Who gave answer Tashi? Correct?
Karma.
Karma, how did you do? कैसे किया? How did you do?
Using
I
calculator.
first calculated 141 times 11, then I added.
Why did you do this way?
Because
समझ
it
नहीं आया सर ये
is easier to multiply with 11. Then I doubled it.
Yes, आयुष कुछ बोल रहे हैं आप?
हाँ समझ नहीं आया सर ये कैसे हुआ
अभी तो मैं आंसर दे रहा हूँ ना आयुष स्क्रीन पे आओ आप पीछे बातें कर रहे हो दूसरों से स्क्रीन पे आ जाओ वीडियो ऑन करो अभी समझा रहा हूँ My question
Good, Karma Dema. Madam
Sir,
Karma Dema. Good.
sir.
Yes,
Uh,
well done. Yes.
we can do it like we have to bring the
Come up. It's okay. Okay, let me answer. Now, why she could think this way? Before this class, you would have all done like this. 2, 8, 2, 0, 2, 8, 2. That is 3, 1, 0, 2. Why now this? Because she was able to visualize that this 22 is nothing but 11 and into 2. Yes or no?
Maybe, sir.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
when you
Our Karma Dema is very brilliant.
Thank you, Sir Prakash.
now what happened? That means she was able to visualize and she found the reason this is faster. Applied the logic. Got it? See, within half an hour, 30 minutes, she is able to change her mind from doing the way, conventional way, to doing it this way. 141 into 11, 2. That is 1551 into 2. That is 3102. some of you might have thought this way also. 141 into 2 into 11, that is 282 into 11, that is 3102. How many of you thought this way? Second. Yes, anyone? I want the answer. See, Ayush, ab samajh aaya?
No, sir. No.
So you were not able to judge. Yes, Nidup? Sonam Chokki,
No.
Sonam Wangchok, Pelden. Pelden, now you can speak. I have given you the answers. I suppose this was your concern. Sorry. Okay. Ongmit. Ayush.
Understood, sir. Understood.
Did you understand ki your way of thinking changed? Doing
Yeah,
it in the
so
conventional.
I find, sir, yours is better. Although Madam Karam's is also not bad.
No. Both are correct. Now my question is, which is more appropriate? I see you all are math
I think
teachers.
yours is more appropriate, sir.
Why?
Because first we are multiplying with 2 because it's very easier to multiply. Then with 11 we can use the techniques that we
Ayush
have
समझ
learned.
yes Ayush समझ आया कि नहीं?
नहीं सर, आप एक बार और एक्सप्लेन कर दो सर, ये 141
22
वाला।
क्या होता है?
11 मल्टीप्लाई
11 मल्टीप्लाई क्या?
2।
तो वही किया देखो, या 2 into 11 लिख लो। तो दिमाग से यही तो सोचना है फास्ट। अब देखो, see this for this particular question both are correct, but this is more appropriate.
सर आपने नहीं उसके बाद क्या किया हुआ है? जैसे आपने लिखा है ना 1551 मल्टीप्लाई 2, तो उसको क्या किया है?
अरे 141 into 11 क्या होगा?
1551।
उस तो ये 2 नहीं बचा।
हाँ
तो इसको मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे आप?
करेंगे।
तो वो 1551 into 2 कितना होगा? मोबाइल को हिलाओ मत, थोड़ा सेटल होके बैठो, हो जाएगा ये। समझ आया आप? ऐसे ही इसमें see whenever always remember whenever you have multiples, I'll give you example. Suppose my question was 141 into 99. So what would have been easy? Yes, Dava.
9, then we will multiply by 11.
Dava, what happened? Any question you have in your mind? See, if this question was 141 into 9, so which is easier? 141 into 9 is easy or 1551 into 9 is easy or 141 into 9 is easy? Which is easy? See, remember.
141.
Yes, so this is more appropriate. So always remember, whenever you are asked question regarding multiplication by 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, always multiply with the multiplier first and then with 11. Is it clear now? Anyone has a question, please ask. Yes, Aruna, Poolam. Yes, Ayush, पूछिए.
Clear, sir.
आयुष पूछो।
समझ आ गया।
थोड़ा ध्यान दो, आजेगा। कैमरा हिल क्यों रहा है आपका? स्क्रीन हिलती क्यों जा रही है बार बार? छोड़ दो उसे एक बार।
अरे सर वो हाथ में टैबलेट लिए हैं सर मैंने।
रख के ना सामने रख दीजिए, कुछ रख के। मैं भी अगर मेरी स्क्रीन हिलती रही तो आपको समझ आएगा?
नो सर, मैं रख देता हूं सर, वो रख नहीं रहा है।
अरे भाई, कोई चीज बुक्स रख के रख दो उसको। ऐसे पकड़ते रहेंगे तो ध्यान तो उधर है आपका, समझ कहाँ आएगा? कोई बात। Now the same question, what is 576 into 121? Yes, all teachers. What is 576 into 121?
Hmm.
Prakash, Preeti, Dava, Aruna, Poonam, Ongmit, Nidhu, Rimzim.
Wait,
I
sir.
cannot do with my brain, sir.
68596.
Why you cannot? Why are you making your brain so lenient? Is it not 576 into 11 into 11? So 6336 into 11. That is 69696.
696.
Wow.
And this was the question I asked when you started with the workshop. How you will do? You all were going with the traditional way. And within this hour, we changed our mind. No, we can do with a different method also. That is what is ability to think. That is what works with visualization, reasoning, and logics. See, we just did for some minutes. If we start doing our calculations with our brain, we will become faster within some time. It's just 30 days, 25 days you practice, you will be perfect. Any questions on the topic?
Sir, you're right.
Any questions you
No
have
doubt,
now?
sir.
Yes, Poonam. 11 की concept पर कोई भी question? Aruna, Preeti, Dava, Nagma, well done. Sarika.
No, sir. No, sir.
Then you are not answering also.
Sir, अभी तो मुझे
बोलो.
सर अभी ना लेफ्ट टू राइट मुझे भी प्रैक्टिस करनी पड़ेगी सर.
ये सारे आप तो फिर भी इंडिया से हो, ये सारे पहली बार कर रहे हैं. इन्होंने कैसे किया? आप बार बार अपने दिमाग को यही सिग्नल दे रहे हो, मुझे करना पड़ेगा, मुझे करना पड़ेगा. अरे भाई, आपने तो फिर सुना होगा कभी नाम वैदिक मैथ्स का. आप तो पढ़ाते हैं, आपने कहा था टीचर हूं मैं तो. और 11th कंसेप्ट तो आपको आता है. ये लोग तो पहली बार देख रहे हैं. आप अपने ब्रेन को नेगेटिव सिग्नल क्यों भेज रहे हैं बार बार? आपको में इजी है. See, whatever you think, your brain will react that way.
Yes, sir.
Got my point? Positive raho. It would be done. Yes, Prakash, any questions for me? Okay.
Right now, no questions, sir. We are enjoying, sir.
Let's move further. Let's move further. Now, we started with 12 into 11. Then we did 123 into 11. Then we did 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. Then I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. Why 11 fixed? Let's change it also. Let's understand so that it should not look like we are doing only 11. What is 1, 2, 3 into 1, 1, 1? Or what is 12 into 111? We can do that also. Yes.
Yes, sir.
How to do it? Understand. See, now you all missed one question. And that question, when you start teaching, students will ask you. And that question is, why you were adding two digits? Why not 3? Why not 4? Yes, Prakash. Is it correct or not? Sonam, Vanchok, Sonam Choki. Why I was adding two digits? Why not 3? Why not 4?
Because, sir, we are multiplying with 2 digits.
Okay. Yes, Karma. See, that's what. Now this question will arise because when we'll do this. See now. I'll make it clear to everyone. One, 2, 3 into 11. So it was 1, 3, 5, 3. Because here I was adding 1 plus 2. Here I was adding 2 plus 3. But what difference will come now? The difference would be first digit as it is, second 1 plus 2 as it is. Same thing. 1, 3. But now I have 3 ones. So that means my capacity of adding the digits has increased. I can add now 3 digits also together. And the way I used to go was to then move towards right. So here also it is done. Now what next? I'll leave 1. I'll have only 2 plus 3. And the last only 3. So see the difference. Did you understand? So this was the question, because there it was 2 ones. So that is why we were adding 2 digits. We cannot add more than 2 digits. Here I have 3 ones. So I can add 3 digits at one time. I'll give you one example for this. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 111. So this will happen 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now 3 is the maximum limit. Now what to do? Nothing. Move. So 2 plus 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 and 4. Did you understand this? Anyone?
Yes, sir. Understanding, sir.
Got my point. So that was the question. If you would have asked that time, that then on there only their concepts would have been clear. So this is known as a concept. It's not one trick, okay, 11. It is with all number of 1s, 2s, 3s, similar digits if there are. So see now how widely we can approach. Not only on 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 99, then 111, 222. So that means whenever the digits are same in a number, all the digits are same, we can do this. Got my point? So what is the answer of
Got
this?
it, sir.
So what is the answer of this? Please tell me the answer. Poonam, answer.
1, 1, 3, 6,
Hmm.
9,
1694, sir.
7, 4.
1, 3, 6, 9, 7,
9,
4.
7, 4.
Anyone who could not understand, they can ask me now, because we'll go by 4 ones also. We'll have 5 ones also. Yes. Anything. What happened? Could not understand? Or understood everybody? Everybody understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Clear,
Tashi?
sir.
Understood, sir.
Okay. Dava, Karma, Rinzin. See, you all are doing good. But I should also
Yes,
get that message. Yes, we understood, so that we can move further. Right? See, more you'll
Thank
tell
you,
me.
sir.
I'll be able to go for more topics. Right? We'll be able to
Understood,
solve
sir.
more questions.
We got
Okay.
you, sir. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Now, let's say 6, 7, 8, 9
6, 7,
into 111. Can we solve this? Try.
sir.
Yes, it won't be mental as earlier, but it would be faster than your conventional way. So 6, 13, 21, and then
21.
15 and 9, 24, then 17, then 9. So 4, 5, 3, 5, 7, 9. Yes, Aruna, अब देखो.
Yes, sir.
But it's 752.
7, 5.
7. Not 4.
Should not be 4.
Where
It
this?
should be.
First digit.
No, sir. My last.
Sorry.
First digit.
Yes, sorry. Where I was. 7, 5. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Peldon, good. So yes, I agree on this part. Now you cannot do mentally, but again compare it with your normal way. Yes, Ayush, क्या हुआ?
सर 6, 7, 8, 9 वो आपने ऐसे ब्रेक करके लिखा हुआ है 6, 13, 21 ऐसे करके।
नहीं, ब्रेक नहीं किया।
तो मतलब ये एक बार आप समझाओगे मुझे, मतलब ये समझ में नहीं आया मेरे।
6 as it is. उसके बाद 6 + 7 कितना होता है?
13।
6 अब 3 1 है तो 3 डिजिट्स ऐड करने हैं। 6 + 7 + 8 कितना होगा? अब ये तो आना चाहिए आपको, ये तो नहीं मैं समझाऊंगा। 6 + 7 + 8 कितना होता है? 21।
21
कौन सी क्लास में हो आप?
तो बीकॉम सेकंड ईयर।
क्या?
बीकॉम सेकंड ईयर।
चलो, तो ये छोटी ध्यान रहो बेटा। उसके बाद when all 3 are done, so it will move left hand side. तो क्या आ जाएंगे? 7, 8, 9. What is 7, 8, 9? 24. उसके बाद 8 and 9. ये देखो, I'll write down 6 + 7, then 6 + 7 + 8, then 7 + 8 + 9, then 8 + 9, then 9. ये उतार लो एक बार, फिर प्रैक्टिस जब करेंगे और हो जाएगा फास्ट। Yes. Clear or not?
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's say it is 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 into 111. Please solve this.
Seven, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5.
6, 13, 21,
21,
then
24,
24, then
8 plus 7. Okay.
17 and 5. 22,
22,
then 14, then
14,
5,
5,
7, 5,
7.
3, 6, 3, 4, 5. अरुणा समझ आया?
यस सर, यस सर।
यस आयुष, अब समझ आया ये वाला? पूनम, प्रीति,
थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन कर रही हूँ सर।
देखो सिंगल डिजिट एडिशन तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा ना, वो तो आपको करना पड़ेगा। और बार बार अपने आप को ये मत सोचो मुझे नहीं समझ आएगा, कोशिश करो, होता चला जाएगा। इट्स वेरी सिंपल।
यस सर।
ओके, if I say 86 into 111, now how will you solve? सोचिए, think.
8, 14, 14, 6. 6, 4, 5, 9. 9, 5, 4, 6.
Sorry? Yes, tell me.
9, 5, 4, 6.
How? See, you need to understand for everyone. Here there are 3 ones. Balance it. So 0. Then 0 plus 8 is 8. Then 16. Again, it would be 16. And then 6. So 9, 7. Yes. 9, 7, sorry. Correct. 9, 5, 4,
4, 6.
6. Got it? See, you need to understand balancing is very important. If digits are less, you can do by this. Because you can do mentally, you are a teacher. But what about student? They will understand with the balancing only. Clear? Any question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, now we are moving away from this topic. Similarly, if it is 4 digits, 4 ones, what we'll do? We'll add 4 digits. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3,
3 plus
1
2.
plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 2 plus 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4 and 4. See how the system works. You just need to understand the pattern once. Maths is nothing more than patterns. Once you get the pattern, you'll be never wrong. Clear or not? Any question you have, please ask me now. Yes? Any question you have, please, you can ask. If you cannot ask verbally, you can write on the chat box. I'll answer to it. Yes, Aruna? Poonam? कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपका? So what is the answer? 1, 3. What is
1,
this?
3, 7.
6. But
7.
1 will come here. So 7.
Yes, 7.
0. 9.
0.
7. 4.
9, 7, 5.
4.
4. 4, 4, 7.
No issues. Got it? Is it clear now? Okay. So this. So you understood. It's not only 11. It can be worked out with number of ones also. I'll share you notes also today. I'll share you homework also. So you have to attend both homework as well as you can download the notes. I'll give you the links. If I don't have all of yours WhatsApp numbers, so you can write down your WhatsApp numbers on the chat box. But don't worry, still we have more topics to go. I'm just reminding you. If you have not shared your WhatsApp number, you can share on the chat so that I'll send you the notes also. I'll share you the homework also. Okay. So this was the topic. Any doubt in this topic up till here? Now, what did you find? Is your speed not increased?
Increased, sir.
It increased a lot, sir.
So if in such few minutes we can increase, if we practice daily for 15 minutes, then, and was it not interesting to do? Was we
It
not
is
feeling?
very interesting, sir.
Okay,
Very
I'll give you
interesting.
more benefits. We'll discuss later on. Let's first finish the topics. So it increases speed 10 to 15 times faster. That is done. Okay, these would be the notes. You'll get 37 into 11. How we did? Left hand side digit, middle digits, and right hand digit. So this all notes you'll be getting. You can download it. And testing was 141 into 22 and 564. I think we took some different number, 576. It's okay. Now, so first observation was we were actually adding corresponding digits and not multiplying. Second, we were doing the calculation from left to right, whereas our belief was no, maths can be done right to left only. That belief we have broken today. It can be done in both the ways. Now, the second important advantage of Vedic mathematics, why it should be done, it reduces burden. What is the burden? The burden is to learn tables. Yes or no? Yes. What about in Bhutan? In India, Nepal, we have this situation very tough. Students find it very difficult to cram the tables. What about you? Yes, anyone who could share me the experiences? Karma, you were doing good.
yes,
Should you
sir.
tell me?
Yes, sir. Before we used to follow India and Nepal
Mm-hmm.
as we are sisters countries. Then after we were introduced the new curriculum, that curriculum from America. Then our children they stopped memorizing it, but up to certain person still some teachers are telling or letting the students memorize the table, which is quite stressful for them.
Okay.
And
See, right.
those who are the smart people, they will use the other way around and they can do it, sir.
So today we'll remove that burden also. We'll learn some
Yeah,
easy
sir.
way
Sure,
so
sir.
that they don't have to mug up their tables. You know, where does the child develops the habit of cramming? Or when does the child develops the habit of cramming? Do you have the answer? It is when they are coming for a math class. See, your all subjects, English, or whatever your languages are, or science, or social science, anything, every teacher would say, understand, learn, understand, and remember. But when you go to a math class where there are the topics as tables, now it becomes very difficult to learn and then understand all the tables. How is it possible to understand up till 99 only? And leave the
Yeah,
others.
it is.
So that time
It
a
is
teacher says,
quite
okay,
a
cram
burden
it.
for our children.
At that time, he says, cram it. And that a student is never able to understand what is correct, cramming or understanding. And it is very difficult to differentiate or understand the difference between cramming and understanding. Our complete life we based on that particular thing. Cramming is correct or understanding. How it is different, we are unable to understand also. Yes, Dawan? Sonam Chowki? Yes or no? Well done. Okay. So we'll reduce that burden today. No need of learning cramming tables. We should know just tables up till 8. Rest will be able to do within seconds. Okay, before starting this topic, one question for everyone. Please, you can answer me on your chat boxes. How much time you need to write table of 89? How much time you need to write a table of 89? Please. Yes, Karma. How much time? Ayush? Aruna? पूनम, कितना टाइम चाहिए 89 का टेबल लिखने में?
10 से 15 मिनट चाहिएगा।
15 मिनट सोचते हो कितना होता है? 10 मिनट भी 600 सेकंड होता है, 15 मिनट 900 सेकंड। यस कर्मा, कावा, सोनम चौकी, नागवा, निधु, रिमझिम, ऑनगिरता, पेल्डन, how much time you need? See, then only you'll be able to understand the difference, huh? When you'll tell me how much time you need. काशी, आयुष कितना टाइम लगेगा? अब आंसर नहीं देना आयुष ने।
तो टाइम तो बहुत लगेगा।
अरे बहुत का वर्ड भी तो होता है कोई। मैं आपको पढ़ाते वक्त ये कह दूं बहुत आंसर है, वर्ड तो मैंने भी बताया ना आपको, तो वही मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ। 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट, 50 मिनट बोल दो।
10 मिनट लगेंगे।
ये तो पता होना चाहिए ना इंसान को। यस अरुणा?
Sir, 10 minutes.
10 minutes. See, both. Yes, Karma, they are saying 10 minutes minimum. So what about you? Amit?
So
I
for
think
me,
I'll also
few
take 10
seconds.
minutes.
Okay, Samar Ratik. Oh, well done. 20 minutes. Don't say me this thing. Neither also 20 minutes. Okay. Okay, tell me one thing. If everyone is able to write in 10 seconds, what you will give me? If everyone is able to write within 10 seconds, what gift for me?
I will congratulate you, sir.
Thank you very much. So congratulated in advance.
Sir, I
Congratulations,
can
sir.
write.
You can write it. It's very easy thing. See, that is what we need to remove, that fear. As a teacher, if we have, as a parent, people have. So why the students are forced to write, forced to cram. It is not that much required. You just have to make them aware. You just have to clear their concepts. If concepts are clear, they will never have a doubt. They'll be able to do it very fast. And doing fast means they'll be able to be more happy. And that is the worst phase in life. That class third, when tables are there, that is the worst phase in any student's life. You can ask them. And the second worst phase is when you decide the, I don't know about you people, after 10th, in our countries, we shift them to science, arts, or commerce. So if maths is not, if maths is not there, they'll be shifted to arts or commerce. So even that is wrong, because we cannot avoid maths in life. Right, I'll give you examples of that also. So let's start writing, understanding how these tables would be done. So the first, we have two topics, two concepts for tables. First is writing tables of numbers ending with 9.
9.
So those are 9, 19, 29, 39, 89, 119, 139, or even 1569, whatever. And the second is the general concept. To write any 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, and so on numbers. And then we'll understand how multiplication questions should be attempted. Correct? Ready? Okay. What is this? Yes, what do you call there? Karma? What do you call this? Rinzim? Nidab? Yes, Aruna.
Number game.
Yes. What happened? Karma, what do you call this game in Bhutan?
Horse, cows and tiger game.
Okay. Here we call it as TikTok, 0 cross. Okay, so when you have to start with the students, you have to create that interest. I'll share you one video. See, when I am doing with you, it would hardly take 10 minutes, 15 minutes. But when we are doing with the kids, it will take more than an hour. Because they need to be, that spark needs to be. Like the first thing, we'll make use of this table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now this is how we'll write. From the rightmost corner to top, we'll go like this. Please do make this and write down. Once done, let me know. I'll move further. Done? Aruna? Poonam?
Done, sir.
Done, sir, done.
Okay, great, great, great. Very good. So let's say first table we have to write for 19. So I'm just writing 19 here. Now we need to understand. In this, we'll apply the first sutra or the first formula of Vedic mathematics. If technically you find it difficult to spell because it is a Sanskrit word, no issues. I'll give you the meaning also, explanation also. The name is Ek Adhikena. Ekadhikena. EKATDHIAKENA. Ekadhikena या Ekadhikena Purvena. Now, that means ek. Ek means one. Ek adhik. Then purvena means previous. So the translation is one more than the previous.
सर हिंदी में कैसे एकादि के ना?
एक आदि के ना.
एकादि हिंदी में भी सर?
हिंदी में तो यही कहते हैं एकादि के ना. एक ऐसे लिखते हो ना एक.
अच्छा, एकादि के ना?
One more than the previous, and if you want mathematical meaning, that is add one to the previous number. So when we apply this sutra, the first sutra, that means now here in particularly this tables, we apply this sutra to the number or numbers before 9. For example, if I'm writing a table of 19, so before 9 I have 1, I'll apply here. So what does 1 becomes? 1 plus 1, it becomes 2. If I'm applying for 89, this will become 9 because you add 1. If I'm applying to 11, 9 means 119. This will become 12. Is it clear? Yes, Rimzim, fell down.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
You have to answer, then only I'll.
Yes.
Again. Okay. Now see, so that new number which we got, we just have to add to this 2. So what is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2.
3.
3.
3 plus 2. 5.
5.
5 plus 2. 7. I'll just
Seven.
come the reverse way. The same way I'll go down. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11.
9.
7 plus 2, 13.
11.
13 plus 2, 15. 17.
15.
And 19. Now 19 matches. That means I'm correct. Put 0. 19 tens. What is this? It's a table of 19. 19 ones are 19. 19 twos are 38. 3s are 57. 4s are 76. 5s are 95. 6 are 114. 7 133. 8 152. 9 171 and 190. You don't have to add up or cram anything. Just single digit additions you are doing. Clear or not?
सर एक बार और क्लियर करा दीजिए सर प्लीज.
Correct. Yes. Karma, Renzin. I'm taking one more
Yes, sir.
example.
Once more, sir.
Not clear, sir.
Once more, sir.
Okay. I'm taking another example. 1,
Okay, sir.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, when going up, you go like this.
Yes.
And coming down, it would be like this. Correct. Now,
Yes.
let's say we have to write a table of 39. So if I apply Ikadikena concept on 3, what will this number become? 4. So that means 4 I have to add. 3 plus 4 is?
7.
Aruna,
7.
4 add करते
7.
चले जाना है. 7 plus
अच्छा
4, 11.
जी
11
11.
plus 4, 15. 15
15.
plus 4, 19.
19.
19.
23.
21.
– 31, 35, and 39. Finish.
5 95.
Clear?
सोचा 3.
Yes, sir. With the practice, we will be perfect, sir.
Don't say this,
Thank
mate.
you, sir.
No. What practice? 3 plus 4 adding is not practice required. Simple single.
But this is very new to us, so we have to learn before we teach our children.
Don't worry, Karma. I'll give the notes. I'll give the notes where every step is written. Right? You just
Yes,
have
sir.
to download those notes from Facebook. I'll give the link. That's why I asked for the WhatsApp numbers in the chat box. See if you can
I
send me
think
the
our Mr. Prakash shared our information with you, sir.
Okay, I'll do with him.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now got it? Okay.
सर व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू, सर हमको किसी भी सर हमको कोई सा भी टेबल बनाना है तो उसमें 4 ऐड करना है क्या?
आप सुन ही नहीं रहे थे इसमें, इसका मतलब 4 क्यों ऐड, इसमें 4 कहाँ ऐड किया पहले वाले में 19 में? पहला वाले में क्या ऐड किया था? 2, क्योंकि 1 पे एकादी के ना लगाया, 1 + 1 कितना होता है? 2। ओके, इफ मैं आपको एक और कराऊंगा अभी। इफ इट इज क्लियर, प्लीज ट्राई टू राइट द टेबल ऑफ 29 एंड फॉर दोज हु आर नॉट क्लियर, आई एम राइटिंग फॉर देम। आयुष देखो, 2 है तो 2 + 1 कितना हो जाएगा?
3
आयुष
3 सर।
बस वो 3 ऐड करना है आपने। 2 + 3 कितना होता है? 5। बस अब हर जगह इसमें 3 ही लगेगा, क्योंकि एकादी के ना निकालिए ना इसका। 8, 11, 14, 17, 20, 23, 26, 29, finish. So all those who have done, please cross check with this. Otherwise,
सर मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि आपने पहले मतलब 29 का टेबल बनाया आपने।
मैंने 29 का टेबल कहाँ बनाया गुरु? सारी जगह 1 to 9 ही लिखते हैं पहले। कहाँ खोए हुए हो आप? 29 का टेबल कहाँ बनाया हमने? हमने सिर्फ 1 to 9 लिखा। ये देखिए, दोबारा बता रहा हूँ, ये देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9। अब समझ आया इतना तक? ये लिख सकते हैं आप?
हाँ सर।
तो ये
हाँ,
क्यों
यहाँ
नहीं
तक
लिखा
तो आ
है आप
गए
इतनी देर में? उसके बाद 29 करना है तो 29 करना है। अब समझना क्या है कि जो भी 9 से पहले है उस पर एकादी कहना लगा दो, तो 1 अधिक कितना होगा 2 का?
3।
बस वो 3 ऐड कर लो सारों में। 2 + 3 कितना हुआ? 5, 5 + 3 कितना हुआ? 8, 8 + 3 कितना हुआ? 11, 11 + 3 14, 17, 20, 23, 26, 29, खत्म। अब पूछो, बोलो बोलो।
अब तो आ गया।
सर ये आपने 116 लिखा हुआ शायद इसमें ना, 29 × 6 पे।
29 ×
6 पे
29 × 6 का बोला मैंने, वापसी कैसे कहा है? ऐसे आना है, तो ये 29 × 4 हुआ ना।
4, अच्छा ठीक है सर, ओके सर।
ठीक है, ओके। नाउ आंसर टू योर क्वेश्चन 89. All those who said 10 minutes, 20 minutes, please see how many seconds?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
89. So 8 means 9.
89.
8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 9, 26. 35, 44, 53, 62, 71, 80 and 89. How many seconds? 8 seconds. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So
You're
all of
genius,
those who
sir.
said 10 minutes, 20 minutes, now see you can do within 10 seconds.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy. See, the only thing is you need to create that encouragement in your classes, that atmosphere of confidence in your classes. That is required. That's all. Done?
फिर इसको एक बार स्प्लिट करोगे आप 89 वाले को?
अरे भैया 8 + 9 ऐड करो ना। हर चीज में लिख के दे देता हूँ, आप कॉपी कर लेते हो। कुछ ट्राई भी तो कर लो। 8 + 9 कितना होता है आयुष?
17।
बस वही तो लिखा है मैंने। 17 + 9 कितना होता है?
26। हाँ
वो अब इतनी कैलकुलेशन तो आपको याद करनी पड़ेगी ना। 17 + 9 क्या होता है? 26, 26 + 9 35, 35 + 9 44, 53, 62, 71, 80, 79, बात खत्म। थोड़ा कोशिश करो, घबराओ मत, हो जाएगा। होमवर्क करोगे तो हो जाएगा। फिर भी कुछ रह जाएगा तो कल फिर पूछ लेना, क्लास कल भी है। अब सोचो 2 सूत्रा नहीं हो रहे, आप बोल रहे थे सारे सूत्रा करा दोगे। 70 घंटे लगते हैं सीखने में सब कुछ। इसीलिए मैंने आपको जवाब नहीं दिया था कि फोन पे बात करते तो आप कुछ कहते मैं कुछ बोलता। Yes, everybody done?
Done, sir.
Chalo, I'll give you very easy question now. Please write down table of 99. Very easy. Fast.
99.
I have done,
99.
sir. Already done.
99 is the most easiest one. So you can do it. And tomorrow we'll be learning squares, cubes.
99,
Within seconds you'll be able to do.
98, 297, 594, 495, 396, 693, 792, 891. Just to add 10 times, sir.
So 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Think now today. Okay. Again, let's go for, it's not only single digit numbers or double digit numbers. Let's move for triple digit. If the question is 119. So what we'll be adding now? 12. So 11 + 12 is 23. 23 + 12 is 35. 35 + 12 is 47. 47 + 12 is 59. 59 + 12 is 71. 71 + 12 is 83. 83 + 12 is 95. 95 + 12 is 107. 107 + 12 is 119. Done? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So one of the most active one, huh? Yes,
Yes.
Aruna,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Poonam, Ayush, हो गया?
हाँ सर कर रही हूँ।
हो जाएगा, चिंता मत करो।
जी सर।
इतने दिनों बाद पढ़ाई की है ना?
जी सर।
होता है। अच्छा ही नहीं लगता क्लास दोबारा लगाना इतने दिनों बाद तो। चलो। So, any questions you have? Any questions regarding the concept of 9, tables ending with 9? Any questions you have?
No questions, sir.
Yes, please.
No questions.
Acha, no, I said, I thought 2 questions. So that's why I said, okay, give. Yes, Pelton, Nida. So now erase that memory, 20 minutes.
I said it 10 seconds.
Okay. So if no questions, how much time you need to write a table of 87 then? Think. I want answers in chat box. I'll be back in 10 seconds.
7. 87. One second, love se.
1 second, yeah.
Yeah, 人真大说，1 second 是大语。
Ta khoi tik ma shiwa ta
Ini
7
done
di
is
ka
do. I'm missing it.
Actually, 10 seconds.
Zaś. Tik się ci mogę, ty mimo.
에이, 좀 쉬워져. 또 좀 지면.
No.
That's interesting to know.
Yes.
Do it.
So how much time decided? Oh, 7 to 10 seconds. Okay, do it. Tell me, sir. Nidab, tell me. See, it won't. 89 will not work with 87. It's different. Okay. Now
मेरे
see.
सारे कॉन्सेप्ट मतलब मैं सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर है, मतलब टेबल का इशू आ रहा है, टेबल नहीं बना पा रहा मैं।
कोई बात नहीं, बना लेंगे। 11 में भी प्रॉब्लम आया था, हो जाएगा, अभी बन जाएगा। देखो क्या होता है, इतने दिनों बाद करोगे तो अभी लगता है, बट हो जाएगा, चिंता वाली। और बैठा हूं ना, क्वेश्चन दोबारा पूछ लेना, जब मर्जी फोन करके पूछ लेना। यस पूनम, अरुणा, 87 हाउ मच टाइम? रिंजन,
5 minutes.
5 minutes still. Okay. Chalo. Not an issue. Now tell me one thing. How do you write table? For example, if I ask you 87 only. Now there are two ways. One is you cram 87 into 1, 87. Correct? 87 into
Yes,
2,
sir.
174.
Yeah.
Then 87 into 3. Yes, 126. This is one way you do. Second approach is you keep on adding 87 plus 87. So 174. Then 87 plus 174. It goes 26. Then 261 plus 87. Yes, this is the way you do. Or any other way also you have. Ayush. इसके अलावा
Yes,
कोई?
sir.
Yes, Karma.
So far, we are following this method, sir.
These both methods, correct?
Yes.
And this becomes
Yes.
very difficult. See, this cannot be
Yeah,
cracked.
it is.
And for this, you have multiple carryovers every time. So somewhere we make silly mistakes. So today I'll give you very easy technique. Very easy technique. Let's start from basics. 16. Let's start from 16 because I know up till 15 everybody knows. Still, if anyone has a doubt before this, tell me. Or up till 15 we are clear? We remember. Generally we remember. If you want, I can start with 12 also. So whatever you want, tell me. 12 or 16?
Let's start from 12, so it will be easier to understand.
Very good. Now, you have to answer my two questions then. Who does not know the table of 1? Table of 1, who does not know the table of 1? What happened? Nobody answered. So, no?
No, sir. We know.
You
It
know.
seems everyone knows the table of 1.
Correct. Okay. So who knows table of 2? Who don't know the table of 2? Okay. Again, everybody knows. So when we know the table of 1, we know the table of 2. We just didn't know how to attempt it. See, I told you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Finish. Table of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16,
14.
18, 20. Finish. I taught you one topic, place value. This is only unit place. This is tens place. Rearrange. Yes, one digit at one place. Okay, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 8. No calculations also required. But here, 2 digits are there. I cannot have 2 digits at one place. I'll put only 0. Extra one goes further. 60. I can put only 2. Extra digit goes further. 7, 4,
7,
8, 6, 9, 8, 1, 0, 0, 1, 2. Was it difficult? Only the concept earlier studied place values. It works. But this is missing in our books. This is missing in our textbooks. And it is missing in our teaching also. We are not teaching with this simple method. Yes, Ranjan? Karma?
Yes,
Did we ever?
sir.
Yes, Tashi. You want to say
Very good
something?
concept, sir, this one.
Huh?
This concept is far better, sir, than memorizing.
Sir, it will clear your... you will never be able to... What happened, Nidam? I see. Anything, it is difficult. Now talking to your 87 only, let's be first doing that. So what, okay, before that. Now what is easy? Adding 12 every time or adding 5 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 6 plus 1? Which is easy for a child? Just think about students. And it's not something which you cannot teach and which a student will not be able to understand. It is as simple as ABC only. Right? So adding 12 every time would have given you carryovers, but here no carryovers also. And first 4 terms are, you are writing just rearranging. You're not even calculating. Second also very easy because unit place will remain the same. Tens place is adding up together. See now, 87, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Okay, up till here only I'm doing 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 87 as it is, 1 digit at each place value. 4 as it is, 1 goes further, it becomes 174. No confusion of multiple carryovers. 1 as it is, 26. 8 as it is, 34. 43, 5. Then 2 as it is, 52. Yes, Tashi. Is it difficult now?
No, sir.
And we never thought about this. We never tried about this. Did we ever try?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Or let's be very practical. Is it tough to understand? Because ultimately our aim is to remove that fear of maths from the child. So can this be taught and make them, give them some happiness, some clarity? Tell me. What happened? Any answers? Ayush, समझ आया अभी क्या अभी भी नहीं? Poonam, Aruna. And remember that 9-1 also can work with here. But point is that becomes, why should we do this way? Because here you 16, 18, 24, 27. So you have to write down here complete. And numbers ending with 9 is very easy with that. Nothing to remember. 8. So things can be done. This is a general technique for any digits. Now I showed you how 2 digits can be done. Similarly, if it is 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. So write down the tables 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Oh, sorry. 4, 6, 8, 10, 6, 9, 12, 15. So 123 as it is, 246, 369, 2, 9, 4, 5, 294. And here 6, 1, 5. Finish. Is it tough? Yes, Tashi, Sonam, Vindin. Anyone? See, you all are math teachers, so
No,
that's why
sir.
I'm looking for your feedback.
For calculating it is easy and faster, sir.
No, the student would be able to understand or not? Any questions?
After
Yes. Yes, please go ahead. Okay. Now, some of you might say, sir, we don't get tables in the question papers. So why it is necessary? I also agree on that part. But still, we ask students to cram the tables. I'll give you an easy way to solve your multiplication questions. Let's say 3, 6, 9 into 9. Now, how do you solve? 9 into 9, 81. 8 here. 9, 6 are 54 plus 8. Yes, what is that? Ayush. आयुष आंसर क्या आएगा? आयुष, मैं भी आपका जवाब ना दूं तो अच्छा लगेगा?
नहीं सर, जी सर बताओ।
आपको आंसर नहीं आता? 9 into 6
45।
9 into 6 45।
नहीं सर 54।
54। We need to understand basics तो हमें आने चाहिए। 9 54 plus 8 is
64।
62. 2. Yes, Aruna?
Yes, sir.
27 plus 6?
35, sir.
Very good. 27 plus 6 is 35.
33, sir.
क्या कर रहे हो आप सारे? See now, this is where we make silly mistakes and we don't accept it. We don't know. If we can make silly mistakes, what about the kids? Now see the concept of Vedic maths. 9 9s are 81. Done.
Yes, sir.
9 6 are
54.
9 3s are 27. So we have
27.
the answers in front of us. We'll never make mistakes. आयुष समझ आया? गलती होगी ही नहीं। हाँ, फिर भी आप 9 6 45 करेंगे तो होगी। 8 goes because one digit at one place value. 54 plus 8, 62. 6 goes further because you can do small light here. 6 goes further, 33. Now you'll say, sir, you took 2 steps. We were doing in 1 step. No, you were creating problems for the students because these multiple carryovers are generally overlooked. And that is the reason why students are doing mistakes. But here,
light बंद कर देना। बस तू बस।
Aarti. But here, that mistakes would be gone because the answers are in front of you.
Earphone.
Is it clear? Yes, Dawa, Karma, Kashi, Sonam, Neerab, Peldan.
Yes, sir, clear.
Clear, sir.
What's
Clear,
the point?
sir.
And what
Yes,
actually,
sir, clear.
what is this? We are doing the
Sir.
same table concept only. In tables, it was a gap in between. There was a space. Here, we have put again the balancing line so that we are not wrong. This is called as place-wise multiplication. And a student will never make a mistake because he has got the answers in front of. And place values, everybody understood because at every point of time, you'll make use of that only. Clear? Or still you have any questions you can ask? So, okay. Again, so this you will be getting tables, you will be getting the notes. See, every step has been written. So if you missed anything, if you still have a doubt, you'll get the notes. You can download that, make a magic box, write numbers from 0 to 9. So everything is written. Everything you'll be getting. Correct? And this was the second concept. Okay. Now coming that, what more? I have already shared two advantages with you. One was it increases speed 10 to 15 times faster. Do you all agree now? If you agree,
Yes,
please.
sir.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Second,
Yes, sir.
it reduces the burden of tables. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Third thing, it reduces scratch work in mathematics as well as finger counting. Now, if you remember, you did 5-digit numbers. You are not doing rough work. Are you were we using rough work? No. So rough works become negligible, and I won't say there would be no rough work at all. It becomes very negligible because most of the calculations you will be doing mentally. And what is this finger counting? Why do we specify this? I believe you all are teachers or going to become trainers. So tomorrow what will happen? Parents will come to you. They'll ask their queries. Now, finger counting is one major problem with every child, and we generally don't like this gesture. Why does a student start writing, doing with fingers? They get this habit well from their classrooms. Yes, but why? We have another system, mental system working that is called as abacus. How many of you are clear with the term abacus? Yes, Rinzin, Mohan, Aruna,
Yes, sir.
abacus पता है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Dava. See, these are the
Yes,
questions
sir.
you'll be facing tomorrow when you'll be attending the parents. So what is abacus and how it is different from Vedic mathematics? You need to understand this difference. I will not say abacus is not good. See, it is equally good, but there are a lot of differences. Very first difference, limited scope. Abacus is used to carry out the major operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And if you ask any student who is doing this, they'll say they are studying this since past 2 years, 1.5 year, 1 year. So it takes so much of time to understand, learn the thing. Yes, it is very good mental tool, but at the same time, it needs more time. Whereas Vedic mathematics has wider scope. With the help of 16 formulas and 13 sub-formulas, we can solve entire Vedic mathematics with the help which covers arithmetic, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, calculus, phonics, and even organic chemistry, I told you. Second major difference is abacus makes use of a tool which is made up of leads. And so think I was teaching you abacus and I was holding an abacus tool. Would it have been so easy to teach? So abacus online, it's not that comfortable to learn, or not that effective, you can say, to learn as well as teach. Very important thing, what you all teachers should understand. See, abacus cannot be inculcated in our syllabus, in our school curriculum. This was what Prakash was also asking me. We have a different syllabus, he told me. I said, I am not going to give you any syllabus. I would take your syllabus and we will solve that syllabus in an easy manner. So that means Vedic mathematics can be inculcated in your syllabus as per your syllabus. Just the way of doing would be different. Clear? Yes, Dava, Rimjim, clear or not? Any question now?
Clear, sir. Clear, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Clear,
so
clear,
this was
sir.
the third advantage, no scratch work, no finger counting. Now the fourth reason, it helps to increase concentration. So I told you I'll give the answer to this. See, this is the major problem of every parent. That my child is studying hard, but not able to concentrate. There is no medicine at all for this. What is required is, what actually is needed is Now, we cannot say they cannot concentrate, because if this was possible, this was true, then they cannot remember movies or they cannot remember the lyrics of the song. So that means their concentration levels are good enough. The only thing is they are not able to concentrate in school education. Correct? So, okay, one simple question. When we were doing the calculations of 11 or these tables, were you not finding something positive vibes moving in your body? Some joyous feeling, some happiness feeling was coming in us. Yes, Tashi, Dava, Karma, Preeti, Sonam, Ayush, कुछ positive लग रहा था?
Yes, sir. It is
Yes, sir.
quite
Yes, sir.
positive and enjoyable, and we are learning in a fun way, sir.
See, my point is, when we are learning something like this, a positive vibes are going and you feel something happiness in yourself. So when you feel something happiness, you are always able to concentrate more. Now it's around more than 2 hours 45 minutes. Have you ever sat in maths class for so long?
No, sir. This is the longest one.
Still, we have to go. And this happens because you're finding interest in this. Otherwise, why will you stop? Got my point? So that this subject is so interesting because it gives you positive vibes, because you start comparing. Yes, I'll give you one small instance. I was teaching in Scotland and I taught this tables concept, and to a student, he rushed back to his father and said, what the hell we were taught in so many years? I was so much frightened with the tables, and it was just as simple. And yes, it is true. I told you now, our mission should be to remove that fear from every child. And this could happen only if we are teaching them in easy manner. Whatever we can get from anywhere we can learn, we can add to our knowledge, we need to share that. Correct? Okay. So when we are when we are finding anything educative, interesting, joyous feeling is coming, then we always repeat it. How does we learn anything? When we do repetitively. How does concentration comes? When we are finding that topic interesting, that thing's interesting. This is why we are able to concentrate in the. Okay, just try today. Today at night, when your child is about to sleep, at 9 p.m., 9:30 p.m., just ask them to study. They'll say, no, I'm feeling sleepy. And the same moment, switch on the TV. And for another next 2 hours, they'll not feel sleepy. Why? Again, the same point. Because they find that thing interesting. They find interest in that. So we need to make that education more interesting. Once it is interesting, concentration levels are automatically there. Correct? Got it? You got the concept of VRL also, visual reasoning and logics. You were giving the answer in a different manner before the workshop, and after some knowledge, you change your minds. That is known as VRL, and that is life-changing process, I told you. Last but not the least, the advantage, because there are several advantages, but very few. I've taken 5 of them. It helps in reducing silly mistakes. Now, what is silly mistake? What are silly mistakes we do in mathematics? That is multiple carryovers and borrow. But let me tell you, now you saw in multiplication, we were not having any multiple carryovers. Similarly, in subtraction, we will not get any borrow. There is no concept of borrow in Vedic mathematics. So when you don't have multiple carryovers, when you don't have a concept of borrow, so no silly mistakes at all. Clear? So that was the advantages of Vedic mathematics. Now, do you think any disadvantages? Yes, Tashi, Karma, last 5 minutes more. Any disadvantages, do you think? Poonam, Ayush? Poonam, koi disadvantages? Ayush, Tashi, Sonam, Nidap, Rinzam, Peldon? Koi disadvantages? Yes.
Maybe if the child has a basic concept, so he or she may be brilliant in Vedic mathematics. That is what I feel, sir.
No, I was just joking. There are no disadvantages. The only disadvantage would be your calculators would become useless now. And second thing, see, this happened in Nepal. You will not believe. In Nepal, in exams time, students are allowed to use calculator, and that has ruined everything. I've given more than 70 seminars, live seminars in Nepal, in Tribhuvan University, Nepal, Kathmandu University, everywhere. So many schools, my books have been implemented. Still, again, going on 15th in Nepal, 6 seminars in one place only, that Pokhran area, and all live in different schools, because they now found that yes, they were doing something wrong. They realized their mistakes and now they are working on it. Second thing, people would be jealous. Just ask this simple question today to any of your colleagues. Do they know table of 89? How much time they'll take? And second question, what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? See, people would be jealous of you. So these are the only disadvantages, nothing at all. Correct? Okay. So now you agree. I started my workshop, my class with welcome to the magic world of Vedic mathematics. Do you believe it is magical? Or it makes mathematics magical? See, math will become magic. Magic means the fast, the speed, the interest. Right? Like we rush for the magic show. Similarly, students will rush to your maths class. And I'll give you tomorrow examples. So tomorrow we'll be going for scaling, cubing, and how to launch your online classes if you are interested in that. So 3 major topics will be covered tomorrow. Now, okay, let me go through some situations. See, now today, what situation is, if you are appearing for an interview, is your certificate sufficient for getting a job? Certain more things are required. What is that required? That is your communication skills or your content and delivery. So neither you get, the job is not dependent only on the certification that yes, it gives you the eligibility to enter the interview area. Or if you are working in any corporate industry, might be you are spending so much of time, dedicating so much of time, but if you are not able to deliver that at the time of a meeting, you are not going to stay longer. Actually, we all have salespersons nowadays. When we are going and teaching to the school students, that is basically we are selling our skills. We are sharing our knowledge. We are going to market to get a laptop. They are selling laptops. We are going to market to get loan. They are selling their loans. Everything is being. Now there is a vast difference between the concept before Corona and after Corona. I'll tell you all this tomorrow morning. But what important is content and delivery. Content, I would share with you, entire content will be given to you on Vedic Maths. And what you have to work on is delivery. How to deliver the same, right? This has become very important. Before Corona, if you were going for a PTM and the teacher says to the parent, your child is not attending regularly or not doing good, the parent was thrashing the student at the same moment. But now time has changed. Now the parent says, Yes, I know how you are teaching. I have compared you with the teacher of XYZ school or XYZ city or XYZ country, because this globe, after this corona period, everything has gone online. That one thing that has given you is global market. But at the same time, what you got is global competition. So what is required? Both content and delivery is important. So we'll discuss on this also when we'll start how to launch. So your homework, one thing you have to do homework. Second, you should have a Facebook account. If you already have, that is a profile, you can make Facebook pages, because tomorrow we'll be learning how to launch your class also, how to launch your online classes. So for that, we need Facebook page, not profile. And in case you have Instagram, you can put it. Right, so this would be required tomorrow. Homework I'll be sharing on the WhatsApp numbers and notes also, so you can do it. Anything? Yes, so that was all from my side for today. Anything, any questions you have now? Yes, Poonam, Ayush, koi question? Sonam, Peldon, Karma, Rinzin, Tashi. Any
No
questions?
questions,
Now? So I hope you'll be able
No
to.
questions, sir.
I hope you'll be able to do the homework. That is very important, because if you'll practice today for 15-20 minutes more, you'll be through these topics, and then it will be more easy tomorrow. Anything?
Okay, sir. Nothing, sir.
Yes, Ayush, Poonam. Right, so thank you very much for being so patient. And so hope to meet you tomorrow, same time. Right?
Okay.
Bye-bye. So I'll be
Thank you,
sharing
sir.
this
Thank you
video.
very much.
I'll be sharing this video after
Okay,
some
sir,
time.
thank you so
It
much.
will take another 2-3 hours. So we'll share you. Correct? Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you,
Sir,
sir.
exercise sheet भी भेज
Thank
देना
you,
सर
sir.
आप.